How to create email template in Zoho. In this video, I'll show you how to create email template in Zoho. So to get started, go ahead and open Zoho Mail into your preferred browser. Sign in to your Zoho account, and then at the left side of your screen, you'll be able to find templates in between drafts and snooze. So go ahead and click on templates under the folders section. So once you're on the templates tab, click on this create template button to create a template for your Zoho Mail account. So once you click on that, this will pop on your screen. So in here, you need to name your template. So make sure to incorporate the appropriate subject line for this specific template, and then incorporate the body of your email template, and then go ahead and select the category where this mail template belongs. So once you're done with that, you can go ahead and click on the save button to save this as a template. And that is how you can basically create email template in Zoho. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.